Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, new Wayfarer, RB2132, in color code 901/L. It's a black color frame. On the temples here, we have a Ray-Ban writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the silver Ray-Ban writing. The lenses are a green G-15 glass. Also has a stick over here that says it's G15 lens. 100% UV protection. And on the top right lens, it has a Ray-Ban writing in white. And a Ray-Ban logo engraved on the left lens. The style of this frame is fashion Wayfarer. Up here we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.